What's up, sneaker fam? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Today we'll be unboxing the Red Taxi Air Jordan 12s.
Our murder rate is like Chicago. We live in fast mercy liable. There's no tomorrow, boys, I know.
This is the regular Jordan 12 box that it comes in. The size tag right here. It reads white, gym red, and black. Then on the side of the box it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Then we have like the Jumpmans all around the box, the top, the side, and it says Jordan. Alright. Let me spin it for y'all to see. The shoe has like white and black leather, and then just this red tab right here has silver eyelets. Then on the heel tab it has Jordan, and then it has like the same writing on the box. Then on the bottom, I like the bottom. I like the way they designed the bottom. It's pretty nice. Yeah. They've been dropping so many versions of the taxis, and they won't drop the original taxis that came out in 1996. They just been giving us these versions of the taxis. They had the royalty taxi, the black taxi, the reverse taxi, and now we have the red taxi. They will be dropping May 25th, full family sizing. So, I don't really like the shoe. I think it's okay. I don't think it's a bad looking shoe, but I don't think it's necessary to buy, I will say. But yeah, they're not really a priority to buy for me. I'm not really buying no taxis until they drop the original taxis. So I'm not going to cop them. My takeaways on the shoe, I'm not really a big fan of like the white sock lining. They get dirty really fast. I noticed on a couple pairs of my threes, they, don't stay clean that easily. I do like the silver eyelets. I do like those. I think it adds a nice soft touch to the shoe. I do think the shoe, like, it's a little detailed, but it don't have too much going on with it. Like, I would just prefer the originals. I'm not buying no taxi till they drop the original taxis. So, we do have the Cherry 12s here. I'm going to do a little comparison on them. I think the Cherry 12s are a lot better. Like, they look so much better. It do have a lot of similarities. Even the bottom. Yeah, I like the Cherry 12s a lot better. I think it's just like a louder shoe. These are just kind of like, but yeah. Red Taxi 12s dropping May 25th. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching this episode. It's been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Peace.